Welcome, career explorers, to a fresh guide on LinkedIn navigation. Today, we're tackling a crucial update: how to change your industry on LinkedIn. Whether you're pivoting careers, expanding your skills, or simply refining your professional brand, keeping your LinkedIn profile current is key. This isn't just about updating a detail, it's about ensuring you connect with the right opportunities and people. So, let's dive into the updated process, step by simple step. First, let's get started by opening your LinkedIn app. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll spot the Me icon. It's typically your profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one. Give that icon a tap to proceed. Tapping the Me icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you're looking for Settings. This is where you can fine-tune all sorts of account preferences, privacy options, and of course, profile details. Click through to access your Settings panel. Once inside the Settings menu, navigate to Account Preferences. This section groups together various customizable elements of your LinkedIn presence. Our focus is on your professional identity, so under Profile Information, you'll find the option Name, Location, and Industry. Tap on it to move forward. Okay, we're getting closer to the fun part. On the Name, Location, and Industry screen, you'll see an Edit icon, which usually looks like a little pencil. It's your gateway to making changes to your listed details. Go ahead and select that Edit icon. Now you're in editing mode. Scroll down until you see the Industry field. This is where you'll specify the sector that best represents your current or desired professional focus. Tap on the existing industry to reveal a search bar and a list of potential options. Type in keywords related to your new industry, and LinkedIn will suggest relevant categories. Choose the one that fits best. With your new industry selected, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. This confirms your update, and your profile will now reflect your chosen industry, and that's it. You've successfully updated your industry on LinkedIn. Remember, this is more than just a cosmetic change. It influences who finds you, what opportunities are recommended, and how you're perceived within your network. Keep your profile aligned with your goals, and you'll be well on your way to connecting with the right people and opportunities. Good luck, and keep exploring.